how to encourage your beautiful climbing rose to create basal shoots from the bottom of the plant. And they are very valuable. Well, it's kind of difficult because some roses are very eager and very happy to produce basal shoots, and some are stubborn. I have one rose like that, and it is Aloha rose in front, not to the side of my garden. And the base of it looks right now, after the severe pruning I did in spring on it, it looks gnarly and scary. Let me show you. And please disregard the appearance of the garden. We are using all these branches, slowly sorting through them. And we are building the fence on the side, right near my Aloha climbing rose. And last year, this rose was not pruned. It didn't go through spring pruning. I wasn't here, so I didn't do the pruning, and it became so old so fast. Look at this. These are all the twigs I took from this rose. I pruned it all out. There was a lot of dead wood, a lot of old one. Now it looks good, very stiff. And this rose, I consider her a pillar rose. Rose which can be grown easily on in a columnar shape. So trimming of this rose is, you have to deal with very stiff stems and try to rejuvenate it, and asking constantly this rose to create shoots from the base and not rely on this old wood. Well, I could have done something better this year. Look at this, what I did. I took one shoot out from here at the base, and it is right here. And what I should have done, I should have left a little stump of maybe a foot, approximately 30-40 centimeters. Okay, it will look unsightly, it will look like, what is that there? But I read in some rosarian books that that stump would encourage the rose to create basal shoots. What do you think? This is a new knowledge I kind of learned from the books. Rosarians out there, please confirm it. Is that true? I should have done that. I should have did that stump there. I didn't think about it, cut it out, it was old. Well, I'm hoping that because I cleaned it all out, look at this bag of all the twiggy stuff, all the old stuff. My rose would have the strength after good fertilization, it will have the whole strength to put new growth on. And here on this top, my rose was sharing space with clematis, and this is another one. I don't understand people who grow roses together with clematis. It's never a success story with me. I bought myself a book, How to Grow Roses and Clematis, because I think I'm missing something. And you see this big, nice side shoot. Eventually, when the fence is here, I'm going to train it lateral, and it will bend it, and it will go on the fence. The same with that shoot. And the back one, I didn't trim that yet. I probably will train this as the main stem and direct it all the way to the fence. Okay, so this is a little bit about this Aloha rose, a stiff pillar rose, a climbing rose, and how to encourage the basal shoots on it.